Oh, I should have been there. The cat. The cat's there. Don't worry.
Oh,
we score on those. Give me your high five, bitch.
yes, yeah. He's gotta kind of make that his identity. Meow.
I wish there was like a gold celly that was like a cat.
Yeah. Did we play with somebody who had like a soundboard? Oh shit! No, way to get out of here. Totally my fault.
With the soundboard.
Yeah, dude, he had all these different sounds.
Oh, he beat me.
I had one.
Hit that.
Cat's gonna score again. Let's
go. Oh, the alley cat strikes back, brother. Look at him go. If there's a cat celly, I'm gonna buy it for you for your birthday, dude. Oh, that's me. Fuck. You guys aren't bad either. I gotta lock in here. Alright. I was just too hyped.
Are they gonna hit the ceiling? Yeah.
Yeah. He's gonna score. Fuck.
I couldn't tell.
Now they're lucky. It's alright. Those you either have to challenge at the top, or you have to predict kind of where he's gonna hit it. Those are hard. Tip offs, really 2 in a row.
Again, what the fuck?
It's alright, it's alright.
Oh, I needed to hit that. You're good. Good hit.
Not in. They try to blow you up.
I boom. Yeah, I know. Oh, I need a hit. Oh.
Good hit.
Yeah. Good shit, man. I was just trailing you. You know what I mean?
I was curious who was behind me. I was like,
I knew.
You try to blow me up?
I knew not to fuck you up, but just in case you like donked it or something, you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
You go, Bird. Yeah. Oh!
But Tom can't hit it.
Sorry. That's like on the ball. Oh. Oh yeah. Let me shoot that.
Sorry.
Good hit. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gonna put it in.
Fuck.
Center. Oh.
Nice.
Alright.
Stopped it. Ah.
Oh, I tried to fuck with him.
said.
Oh. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. Oh, I missed it. Tomcat. Yes! Yes, bird!
Dongle.
Trying to keep it here. Oh. My bad.
Sorry.
Good hit. Oh shit. Way overcommitted. Yeah.
I kind of worked him there.
Put another one in. Little cushion.
Good shit, bro. Way to put it away. They were saying GG easy too.
I know. Yep. Oh, they still are.
Oh.
Yes. That was.
I wish I would have hit the ball, but.
Oh. No one felt good. That's it.